Hello and welcome to a new video. In today's video I will show you how to turn off voice navigation on Google Maps. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, open it, and after that go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen, and after that go to settings, and from settings go to navigation, and as you can see the first option is sound and voice, and if you want to turn off voice navigation you have just to click on mute, and like that you will not hear any voice navigation during your usage of Google Maps. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any other question, you can write it in the comment section, and see you in the next video.